Okay. All right, guys, let's look at the market. I analyzed the living shit out of XRP, guys, yesterday, and I realized that here we got one massive. Here's the second massive one run, two run, right? One run, two run. So it seems like we could be potentially right here. So it seems like this. This massive dump is this right here. Could be this right here. This right here could be this right here. And this right here could be that right there. You have a massive leg up. Does that matter right now? No, because we can't trade this shit right now. So, or I mean, we can, but like, I'm just giving you guys a macro perspective. Doesn't mean that that we're just going to buy and hold. I mean, obviously we're holding XRP. I'm sure you guys are just holding it, just like you should. But I'm also trading it so I can accumulate more. XRP is hard as shit to trade, but after finally sticking to very good risk management rules, and looking at XRP every single fucking day, for like 10 hours or more, I see that it has patterns. It does the same shit all the fucking time. It's a fractal. It does it all the time, and just in smaller cases. The bigger, it'll do a big pattern. It does it in smaller time frames as well. Okay, so overall we're bearish, of course, right? On the daily, let's just keep it going down 16-hour. It's tough because we can have, look right here. We have strong level of support right here, which it most likely is going to test. See, it broke this low, destroyed that low, right? Destroyed that low. So what's the next low it can test? Smart money concepts is like breaker block. It's like when a candle clean breaks through a previous resistance or support zone, and they always get retested. They always get filled, as in they always get completely filled in here. Okay, so very soon, or pretty, maybe after we test these lows, we can get a massive up movement here. But that doesn't matter right now. We got to focus on what's happening right now. Okay, so we see, some support being created, I think. So what do we got in the Heiken Eshi candles? More likely than not, guys, we're going to cover this candle. Kind of looks like an inside bar there. 786 zone. We'll see right now. From the bottom to the top, 786 is like under 70 cents. I think it's somewhere around here. So we should definitely probably be covering this, right? 786 on XRP and just in general, it tends to be a very strong reversal zone, which would make sense at this, based off this. Okay, let's put on the indicators. See, market cipher, this is a very strong reversal pattern right here. And I think it could be, I don't think it's a divergence. Nope, it is a divergence. It is a divergence. Oh, look at that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, maybe looking for some buys in. Get my phone ready. All right. Which are probably a really bad thing to do right now. But we have a strong divergence right now. We have a strong divergence. Okay. Got that ready. We got a strong divergence here. Market cipher is indicating a pretty good reversal here. We got the VWAP here. VWAP tends to get, if the price is beneath VWAP, it tends to get shorted, it tends to go that route. So as you can see here, let me delete a lot of this stuff here. Okay. Price tapped the VWAP, went down, tapped the VWAP, went down. So the way that we use this indicator, by the way, this is a market cipher indicator, by the way. Wow, damn it. Go back to douchebag. Okay, this market cipher, you guys should know what market cipher is right now, right? Crypto face, come on. You guys should know who this guy is by now. Okay, so obviously we can still get, this could definitely still be a correct impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, right? If you look at this dump, we had 3 legs, 1, 2, 3. Was that 1, 2, 3, or that's looking like it has remember, doesn't mean it's going to happen exactly like this. It's just, we're just using this for reference. Tap into the so close to the 618s on the reversal. See, we had a resistance point right here. Now it turned into support. Resistance point here. For a little bit of resistance. Now this level of support right here. See this head and shoulder pattern? It tends to be a massive reversal. Here's the head and shoulders as well. Massive reversal. I'm trying to show you guys to see if there's any divergence. Here's a divergence right here. We were able to create new highs above this. So we may be looking at near highs above this. Here's a new resistance zone, which was support. So we could do buys from here to here. However, that would be going against the trend. It's just more riskier. But going backwards, this is going up, this is going down, divergence. Very powerful indicator. Price is under the VWAP, which normally that's when you get the best buys. The value, best value is under the VWAP. We're at 72.70. Previous support breaker block retested that. No, it's gonna definitely, it should definitely fill this in, guys. So I might do a buy. I'll have to do a massive. Oh, breakup structure. Broke the structure. This tends to be actually a shorting pattern. Once it gets broken, price breaks above previous highs, creates a head and shoulders. Shoulder head. Just be weary of buys right now. We're definitely in a selling environment, so this is may just retest here. This right here. It's probably just going to go down here and one candle, and the next one should probably be taking it up. Get my phone ready. But we are in a pattern to continue up. VWAP's pointing up like crazy. Damn it. I didn't take this buy, by the way. I'm just, being theoretical here. So we have a new, dynamic level of support right here. What tends to happen to guys is it creates two channels. So you'll get this channel and then perhaps this channel. So you got a channel, then another channel within there. And like that. but I'll show you right now in a second. You got the wick channel, and you got the inside channel. And then you'll get the candle channel, the closing or opening of candles. This right here has confirmed support, which this is the confirmed support area. Would have been really good buys from there. So let's look at these 1 hour candles. Very early in the divergence, which is normally good. Dude, I just really think that we are going to get above. I think we are going to create a high above here, which we can short after. And then you got newly minted resistance though. Newly minted resistance here. So what we can get is a move up here, which how big would that move be? 1%, 1.8%. It's not bad. Either respects this as a new support, or we can go back down here. But we got New York session right now, guys. And New York volume saying that it's going to go up. Volume right now is saying that it's going to go up right now. Okay, good. Creating support. Let's go. That could be good buy entries. Good buy entries. Did break that channel, retested it. Oh, we're probably going here. Here's another divergence thing up there, red. Double top. Let's see what's happening on the 1 minute. What is it creating? This may be the move. We'll see. That may be the move. I'm entering a sell. Entering the sell. 728. Seven two eight nine. I swear, already in profit. To be honest, probably should have waited for it to. Seven one nine one. Why did I answer that? Here's a channel. Channel got broken. It's probably going to create another shoulder here above here, and then go back down. That's why I answered. We're also in a selling momentum. New York's here. New York's probably going to fill in this wick minimum. If not, retest the bottom, these lows right here. Nice. Nice, let's roll, let's roll. There we go. So here's the next zone that we're going to touch, that we should touch, not we're going to, but we should. Based off market structure, broke the, oh, look at that, look at that. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yesterday was North Face, today's Nike. By the way, guys, I'm from California, but I'm in Miami. I moved to Miami. Give you guys a little bit of my story. So when I was 18, I was super disciplined, got into health and fitness, got ripped as fuck, super ripped in high school, blah, blah, you know. That's when I created my whole discipline, right? I was able to create a lot of discipline during that time. I became a personal trainer. And then I met a mentor of mine, the best person I've ever met, who's changed my life. He helped me out, and he allowed me to basically become great, man. But he was in a network marketing company, right? And which I think everybody should fucking join one to just get leadership skills. I'm not saying everybody, but people want to be great platform to grow leadership skills and get out of your comfort zone. But anyways, he taught me a lot. And he definitely made me, want to become more successful, right? So And he also told me to get a job instead of doing what I was doing, personal training, to get into sales. Sorry, business to business sales. So I did that. So to go to a bigger company, learn their systems and processes, and then go to a smaller company. I did that. Went to a bigger company, worked there for like about a year or two. Went to a smaller company, about like 21, 22 years old, somewhere around the 23, I don't know. I'm 30 now. And I went to the small company at 22, 23. And he told me, he taught me basically how to be an executive. I did. It ended up with, by I think 26, 25 or 26, I was leading the whole company. I started managing some of the people, then some of the people, until it was the whole company. So I did that. And then I quit my job at 29. So almost about a year ago. Now like 9 months. So I haven't had a job for like 9 months, but I started learning how to trade at like 25. I started learning how to trade at 25. And it took me like fucking forever to really get it. Because you guys can learn trading, but you have to learn risk management and your emotional, how to handle your emotions. And that's the hard part. How are you going to react when price does a certain movement and all that stuff, right? So that's the hard part. We got a blood diamond on the 12-minute. So basically, guys, I learned how to fucking run a business. I learned how to increase sales, run a business, lead, manage people. They fucking loved me there. And I was having some issues with partying. Though I would tell you that it's making a lot of money, blowing it all. But I started trading. So and I realized that working is what really caused that. Having to go to a job, working, and just all this stress. To me, that's what it did. I would say. So what I did, I had to quit, guys. I had to quit. I was already planning on quitting for a long time, actually. That's why I learned trading. That was my plan B, just in case. So my vision changed from growing and blowing that company up with the owners to creating a fund, right? During that time, I wanted to have a fund. And what's it called? And then I started trading crypto. I started trading Forex first, right? Forex. 2017, somewhere around there. Spent a lot of money. From then until now, easily 20 grand on courses, mentors, systems, software. Went all in on it. And I've always had mentors in my life. Always. If you guys don't have any mentors, you're fucking stupid. Ridiculous if you don't. You shouldn't be doing this trading shit by yourself. You're not good enough, first off, just keeping it real. You're not. Everybody says, oh, you're good. Nah, bro. I was a legit running company, legit fucking, legit business person. Learning how to run a business, sales, leading people. It wasn't a little bit of people, it was fucking easily well over 30 people doing company, presentations, meetings, stuff like that. And these guys were like twice my age. I was doing all that shit. And with all my skills that I had and everything, this shit was still hard. Like doing this, you can't do this on your own. You have to have a mentor. You have to be with people. You have to be with people who know what they're doing, and watch their videos, consistently learning. Right. I created this product called the Daily Checklist. Right. I'm not. I am now in Miami though. Okay, this is Miami. I am in Miami. My goal is to move out of there, get out of my comfort zone. I also joined a network of people, a network which they're mostly here in Miami, and that's why I also came here. But my goal is to create a fund here. I was actually planning on moving to London, but my goal is to create a fund here now, with specifically trading crypto, just trading in general, and sports trading. So both the financial markets and sports. My friend has sports things down, and I have another partner that trades crypto with me, and that's where I'm at now. So what I'm doing here is ridiculously increasing my skill set, accumulating XRP like fucking crazy. And then that will be once, we all know what's going on with XRP. Assuming price goes up like crazy, I'll sell out the majority, a lot of my XRP, not the majority of it, but a lot of it, 20-30% for sure. And I use that as a fund. I usually have a couple $100,000. At that point, I'll use that as a fund, start the fund with that, blow it up. My goal would be to blow it up to a couple million, and start going out and pitching investors, raising capital, creating a legit fund. Let's go. And that's it, guys. There's a lot more to it. I have way more things I want to do, but just to give you the gist, that's where it starts. In order for me to do the other things I need to do, I need to have lots of funds. Lots of funds. All right, so we're in profit, guys. Got high numbers, 22, 23. When that happens, then it tends to lead to 1 to 2 more candles with these numbers 20. So maybe a 22, 23, and 24, which should continue it down. The only thing that's a little bit scary is the divergence that we have here. Divergence, they do tend to play out, and we could just be retesting here to create new highs, to create a high higher than that one, which makes sense. I mean, there's probably a lot of shorts right now, and they want to liquidate those shorts or get them out. But we tapped into the support here. Which whipped the living crap out of it, which, whipped the crap out of it, which means that it's probably some buyers there now. Okay, so price is currently tapping this support, turn to resistance now. Rejecting it. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, man? Did you join? Oh, you joined, huh? Nice. Yo, Samir. Oh yeah, cool. What's up, man? Yeah, I'm currently in the short right now, so that's what's going on. So there's not going to be that many people on right now because I'm from California, but I'm in Miami right now. So all the people, this group of people, all the people that are in here, these are California people. And it's 5:30 over there. So these guys aren't in these sessions. I do trade later at like in another fucking 12 hours in the Asian session, and that's when they come in. But this session, mostly just me. Okay, so we tapped into the support area now where we closed at previous support, now resistance. Let's go to the 1 minute and see what we got going on here. Okay. Looks like it's doing that after it breaks this channel here. We got a channel here. Got that channel broke right there. It'll create a head and shoulders after it breaks, meaning it'll go down, make a new high. Here's the head. No, here's the shoulder, here's the head. And then like that, and there's the other shoulder. Once it breaks the channel, that's what tends to happen with XRP. So that's what we're waiting for. But we do have a divergence on the 1 minute here, a small one right there. Actually, I'm sorry, that's a convergence. Convergence. That's not a divergence. Go to the money flow is starting to go back in here, meaning there's money coming in, just like this. I'm still shorting, though. I'm in a short because of the overall market is down. Overall market is down. We were probably going to fill this in here. From here to here minimum, if not here, to the 70-cent area. 718 Fibonacci retracement right here. 70 cents. This is where we're most likely going to fill in from here to here. That can easily happen today, just like how it went from here to all the way down here in one day. Which is why I have shorts playing out right now. Currently in profit. But we do have a lot of shorts in play, which means that in the New York session, which is one of the most powerful sessions, which is from 8:30ish to like 11. That's when the most movement happens during this time. So they can easily come in and reverse the price above this high to take out all the stop losses, to basically get liquidity, to get fuel, jet fuel, to move the price back down here. So that is, by the way, I can't hear you if you're speaking over there. So your Utah thing, whatever. But let's see here. Let's continue to go back down here. Down. I'm probably going to close out Let's see. Because you can see we got a big dip. Created a new high above, almost touched this high, which means we may get a touch over here, which means my stop loss will get hit. Okay. Let's go to the 15-minute. Oh, we got a support being created. Touched this support, closed above. Money flows going in from negative to positive, which is not good for shorting. As soon as price goes above that EMA there, it's probably going to pump it up. Okay. What we're seeing here, the price action is looking like some more continued upward movement, but not that much. It should probably get from here. Okay, so we got this wick right here. So it tapped into that wick. Support, resistance, so we could probably continue our downward movement. But I mean, this looks like it's still going to probably continue to go up a bit though. Or maybe it already did that with this right here, this price action. But you can see here, so here's a channel. It broke the channel. And then it creates a new high and it goes down. So here's the channel, broke the channel, creates a new high, and then it goes down. The only thing though is that like, you see how like money was green and we're still not green yet. So since we're not green, that means that there's probably going to be some more upward movement, just like over here. And then look, price went above in the green, above here, which means price, if it does this, it will go above this, and it might hit my stop loss. But I'm, you know, I ended up closing a little bit of my position. So it's going to mean I'm in profit now, but see what I'm looking for here is potentially this now. We're going from negative to positive, which means, oh wait, sorry, it's here. Short. Long's not really a bad idea because we're at the bottoms, but longs, there is a chance that we can go above this high, because here's a low. It created a new created a high, but this high did not create a new low. So when a high doesn't create a new low, most of the time it gets ran, as in like it ends up going above it. Price will go above it. So price didn't create this high did not go lower. This high did not create a new low. At least not yet. At least not yet. And because of that, it has a chance of getting ran, meaning it has a chance of getting price going above it. And we do have a divergence, massive divergence here on the market side for here. So from here to here, it's going up, and from here to here, it's going down, which normally that when that happens, it does tend to go up. It does tend to go up, but we are in a selling environment overall. Like, this does not look good to buy. What you want to do is you want to wait for a candle to go up first, though. And it depends too. It depends on what you're trying to, yeah, man, no worries, 100%. Like, what you want to do is, what you want to do is you want to go for the trading is all about the higher chances, right? Going for the higher chance. And overall, the higher chances, I mean, the price went down. It's now it's like stopping a bit. It's resting right now. It can't go too much lower. There's people buying it up right now. There's a bunch of people sort of buying it up. So price isn't able to go down quick anymore because people are buying it up. But right, so that's stopping it. That's why there's some traffic right here. The only thing though is that price broke the low. Here's a low, and it just destroyed it. So normally when price breaks a low, it tests the new low. Here's a new low. Here it is. Right around here, here's the new low. So we have, and this right here, I've seen this, like, see this looks like a clean reversal. You see that? Big downward movement and then a clean reversal. We have a big downward movement, and then like this is a weak. It means buyers didn't really come in and buy it up. So since it's weak, we may have just another. Let me show you. Watch. I'll give you an example. You see how like this shit got destroyed down, went up, went back down, and then it was like weak, and it got destroyed. See if we can show you some other ones. See, normally the reversals look like this. Boom, and that's not looking like that at all. At all. Let me show you. See this right here? Down, weak, and then just continues to go down. That's weak right there. That is weak. It's happening right there. That's why I did a short. See that weakness? What I can almost be 100% certain of is that we're touching here. Might get a retest though, might go in Europe. Might touch these support right here, which it already did. If you see it here, it already kind of basically did touch it. And then, okay, so let's think about the opposite. Let's see. Let's wait if you have any more questions, but you always got to think about the opposite. You can't just think one-sided. So, we are at, support looks right here. This means that banks bought the living shit out of it at 72.54. Banks went in and bought the fucking crap out of this. That is massive. Whoever went in on that to buy that. So that's a good price point. See, as you can see, it happened here again. So these are good price points. The only thing though is that we broke those price points. So it can be shifting. The psychology of the investors and traders can be shifting. They were probably optimistic around this time. Now rates, everything fucking the United States, and the rates are going to when rates go up, it's not really that bad in crypto. It's when rates and the Federal Reserve stop printing money and they start selling their assets. So when rates go up and Federal Reserve sells their assets, crypto goes down. And they're planning on doing that exactly. They're planning on doing that exactly in May, which is in 9 days, somewhere around there. So overall bullish. Let's go here. Let's look at what the market's thinking for XRP. This is a pretty expensive software, costs $1,000 a month. Daily's bearish. Market cap has gone down. There's a lot of trading volume, though. People are trading a lot of there's people trading it, probably shorting it. There's a lot of tweets going on. I mean, that shit's been going on for tweets. Crypto XRP is pretty viral right now because of their lawsuit, which I posted a nice amount on. So their score's at 58. It's not that great of a score. Normally above 65 is a good score. And then we have a support turn to resistance. All right, let's turn this thing on here. Put the market cipher back on. This is one of my favorite tools, market cipher B. Let's fucking delete all this shit here. Money flow is going down. VWAP is pointing up, but this is pointing down. You see how these get closer, the stochastics and the RSI. As they get closer, the movement gets more powerful. As they get closer, movements get more powerful, meaning it'll go whatever direction it's already going. Getting closer, pointing straight down. The momentum, this is a momentum wave. It's starting to curve up, which means that it's hitting support. Starting to curve up. Just not curve up, but slowing its descent down. See, you got I could just put you can just see what price did there. Went up. So we could be at a potential reversal zone right now. We could be, because look, VWAP's pointing up. And VWAP points up before the momentum wave goes up. As you can see, it was already pointing let's see, it was pointing up right here. It was pointing up there. And this was still pointing down. It's pointing up here. So it's probably going to cause this to curve up a bit. This is already curving, but money flow is still going down. So yep, on a 2 hour, we're looking like we got some reversals going. So we do have that. And this is already starting to curve up. VWAP's pointing up like crazy. This could be the support right here. Support, support. It's looking like that's what's going on. But like these signs, the signs of that we're talking about, like bullish signs, they're not as strong when we're in a massive sell-off. Like they look good, but they don't respond as strong. They look good though. That's the thing that sucks because you kind of act on them and then you get fucked. But look, I'll tell you this though. Most of the time, there's wicks, they get filled in. So it might price higher chance to go in there. I believe I'm still in profit here. Yep. Most of the time, these wicks get filled, bro. Most of the time. We could be getting this though. See, we could be getting that. The reversal from here. But this is a strong, I mean, there's a head and shoulders right here. This one could be a head and shoulders too. I mean, we had one right here. That's why you saw a decent reversal. This could be it too. This could be making one right here. Could be doing that. And then money wave can be going in like that. Just like how you see right here. Just like well, you don't really see that here though. But that's what tends to happen. Money flow starts going back up. Okay, it's it's almost close to 9 o'clock, so I think the volume's coming in now. I think the price, let's see here. All right. But I see this price, let's go on 15-minute. My friend uses, we both use this, my trading view. My partner, he trades Bitcoin though. And could be getting a consolidation here. Consolidating a price to reverse up. So you get this consolidation of price to move up. Shorted at 7247. Phone charger. All right. So overall, we're still in a selling environment, and we're probably touching the 70s. You know, we got this next zone from here to here, which is 2%. Price moved more than 2% yesterday. Shit, it went from fucking here to here. That's 6%. God damn. The question is, will price touch this first, or will it go back up here to get liquidity? I know price is going down here. There's a very high chance it's going down here, but will it come up here first? That's the question. Will it come up here first so we can go back down here? That is what we should be asking. It's neutral as hell, just overall daily is bearish. Seem to be bottoming out though. Why doesn't it give more data? The fuck? Why is LRC so strong? It's 81. God damn. Okay, see? All right. We do have a divergence on the 1 hour from here to here. Down, but this is lots of convergence. I think, well, I think what's more likely than not, man. See, the weird thing is this: price did not go lower than this; it stopped here, so that is bullish. That is, I'm starting to think that this high is probably going to get ran, just like how I got ran here. Ran means it's going to go above it. All right, so let's go on the 30-minute. Give you an example. See, this low went up, it created a new low. So when the high creates a new low, it means that it's protected, meaning price won't go above it. As you can see, it didn't go above. This high right here created a new low. This high right here did not create a new low. It didn't create a new low. It did not create a new low. We still could be in the process of it creating a low, so we don't know yet 100%. But so far, it didn't create a new low. So this makes it weak. If a high does not create a new low, makes it weak. Which means that if it's a weak high, price will go above it. It goes up before going down. How high will it go up? Do you think? Should I long and then short, or should I just sit tight? I would sit tight, bro. I mean, I'm in a short right now. I'm in a short right now, but I would probably sit tight right now, man. And it also depends on how you're going to trade, bro. Like you have to. So you have to know how much your plan. What's your trading plan? Like me, I risk like 2% or trade. I'll risk 2% per trade, but I get out before that. Here's another very good person you need to watch. Okay. Very, very good trader. Has his own brokerage. Very good trader, bro. Very good trader. I mean, just look at his shit here. I'll send you. Very good trader, bro. I respect the shit out of this guy. this down here. So you basically want to wait, because this is what you wait for. Okay, here's the high. Here are the lows. Okay, you wait. So if you wait for price to break these, right? You wait for price to break those. As soon as they get broken, what happens? Does it create a support? Does it go here, chill for a bit, and then go back up? Okay, then if it does, then you can place buys. So if you see a green candle coming up here, you can place a buy, expecting it to continue up here minimum, here, and here, right? So then you would place a buy, you know, let's say it's right here. So you wait. So this is the strategy I learned from him, and he's very good. He okay, so you see, boom, went down, and then you got a green candle, right? So support was created. Then you buy after this green candle, and your take profit is like the previous high from here. So it would have been something like that. It's horrible risk, right? Horrible risk, 0.64. Which you can actually make it go, you probably go a little bit lower. But that's how I trade. I trade just 1-to-1. I go in and out, bro. I go in and out. Like fucking those burgers, bro. In and out burgers. All right. So that's typically what you want to do. Why did I enter a trade? Well, I saw that the breakup structure happened. See, look, we're getting a reversal now. I saw that a breakup structure happened right here on the 10-minute. It broke, and then it went up here. I should have just shorted it up here. The trade should have been done up here, but I did it a little bit early. It was like 12.47, and I could have got out here, which I probably should have. So that's why I entered the trade, and I did a sell because overall we're in a sell environment. But as you can see, it's creating support down here. See, price hasn't broken it. See, so we should probably get a move up. But just know this though, you have to wait for this right here. Wait for price breaking that. So I'll give you an example. But the thing is that the only thing, bro, is that we're in a downtrend. So you have to know where we are. Are we in an uptrend? Then all you do is you wait for it to go up, wait for it to go down, wait for a green candle, buy after that green candle. If we're in a downtrend, which we are right now, right, goes down, price goes up, wait for a red candle, sell after that red candle. And you put your stop loss above there, stop loss here, stop loss beneath here. So we're in a downtrend. Red candle. I shorted on the red after the red candle, put my stop loss above here. The only thing is that like we are at an extended fucking sell-off. And we have hit a demand zone. We broke it when we broke that. Well, we broke the demand zone, but CC, we're in a zone where like there's powerful buys. There was powerful buys. So that starts changing things a bit here. That starts changing, but I should have just kind of closed out right here at the previous candle, previous low, that's what I should have done. But I want to see what's next here. I want to see what happens next. Look at the 15-minute. Let's look at the 15-minute. Okay, reversed from -3 to 4, -3 to 10. Now we're at 10. We got a green candle coming. Okay, what's up with the 10-minute? We got another green candle coming. But look, there's so much. Ah, man, price has not been able to close above here, above this support. Now it's resistance. Support turns into resistance. Wait, I can post shit on you. And this is what I would say risk, bro. Look at risk management. This is the best video for you to see. And you can see here, you can watch this one right here, save that one. Very good video, how he turns 50,000 into $1 million in 6 months. He turns 50K to $1 million, which is basically turning like $5,000 into 250,000. It's the same thing as turning 1,000 into $25,000. 1,000 XRP into 25,000. You know. This is a very good video as well. Save these. He's very good, bro. Very good trader. If you like going in and out, if you're trading during New York sessions, you have to learn the sessions too. Thank you for that. So, yeah, bro, he's one of the best traders. Damn sure he's good, bro. So you go to his Instagram. This is my backup Instagram. This is my Instagram. I think I'm following him. Fuck out of there. I think I can just look this fool up. Why am I not following him? So overall, we're still looking like, oh, there he is. Overall, we're still looking like downward movement. See, price still, it's not a confident move, bro. See, it's not confidently going up. Meaning there's buyers, meaning there's buyers there, because if not, price will just continue to, you know, get shorted down. So people are buying. There's a tug of war happening right now. Just like, yeah, perfect. Yes, here, man. Same here. In and out is the best, bro. Because we can already hold XRP. I mean, we've been holding XRP, but you want to learn how to accumulate it. How do I make more? By going in and out, taking advantage of. And also the book that you need to get, bro, is Psychology of Risk. Damn, sync, god damn. It's okay, it'll fix it. I guess not. Psychology of Risk. This book, you need to get this book like right away. Actually, I have it on my YouTube channel too here. If I go to my YouTube channel, I have a link for it. It's actually because on Amazon. Best trading book ever. So I have blonde hair. Best book ever for trading. $10 right here. I think it's like $10. I'll post it on here too. Does it even work if you click it on there? Yeah, it does. Just go to used 34 bucks. See, look, bro, we're continuing down. We're probably gonna fill that in, bro. Probably gonna fill this in here. All right, good. I'm in. But you see how all the signs were looking like it was potentially going to go up, like everything that I was saying. But those signs aren't as strong when we're in a downward movement, and it just doesn't work as well. Which is that's where they get you. That's where you get fucked, because you start believing all this and you go towards that. Put it this way, bro. Only out of 10 times, only out of 10 times, bro. Out of 10 times, only 2 out of 10 times will you get a reversal. 8 out of 10, you're going to get a continuation down. So you have to go with your chances. In trading, you have to go with probabilities. You can't go with what you think. You have to go with probabilities. Bro, we were able to get the shit for $10. Why is it $34? This is a must-have, though. This book is bro, the best book in the world. Best book in the world, for sure. If you want to learn, trading is learning how to not lose money. That's what it is. It's not making money. It's learning how to not lose it. And this book will show you, will slap you around and make sure you don't make stupid decisions. Because that's what it's about, not making stupid decisions. I have it right here. It looks different. Psychology of Risk looks different, but the best book in the world. And also, if you're gonna trade, you're gonna have to commit to it, bro. Like no other. Like you're gonna have to. Like I created a product. I'll give it to you for free. I'll email it to you. It's I'll show it to you. Because I've been living off trading for the past year, and before, bro, I used to run a finance company, so I was making a little over $200,000 a year running a finance company. But I started learning how to trade 5 years ago as a backup plan because I was going to basically take over the company. But then my vision changed. I want to create my own fund. I want to create a fund and have them with the people in my way you wrote. Beautiful, we'll buy it tonight. Grace said, thank you. Yes, yes, thank you. Yes, mail it when you can. Oh, you know, boom, look at, see how we're going down more. Yeah, so I have a company called Trinity Funds LLC. Trinity Funds LLC, but like, you know, I had to because look at that, see, oh, that's good, that's good. When I take profits, almost gonna get hit, bro. I started because I was getting paid $10.99 and I had to create my own company to do the $10.99. It'll also give you all this shit, bro. The best thing to do is like not study too much on different things, just, you know, but you can get different concepts. That's what you want to do. You want to get different concepts. But yeah, I'll send it out in an email in a second. But yeah, so had a company, or I was running a finance company with the owners of a company that I was working with, and I was running it, making a lot of money, but they started changing their vision. They started going a different way, and we said we're going to go one way. And because of that, I was like, you know what? I need to have a backup plan. And to me, my backup plan was learning how to trade in the markets. But when you do this, when you do anything, bro, you're gonna have to commit your whole life to it. You have to commit, like, figure out what you want to do. And trading is a really good skill to learn. But if that's what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to commit to it, bro. Like 100%. 100%. You're gonna have to create affirmations. You know, I got affirmations. I am easily growing my trading account daily. You know, I'm excited to push my team to grow exponentially. I'm easily creating viral value content. That's for my 3 things, my 3 goals. So I write my 3 goals down. which I have a lot more. I write the goals down and then I visualize them. Having a successful hedge fund with my friends, you know, all this other shit. Yeah, you know, bro, like you're not gonna, this trading shit's hard as fuck, bro. This trading shit is hard as fuck. It's really hard because emotionally it fucks you. So because of that, you have to be super, super on it and talking to yourself daily that it's gonna work out. You have to visualize it, all that, because this shit's hard as fuck. And this book's gonna help you not fucking give up. This book's gonna help you not give up because you have to learn the psychology of risk. This is the most important thing, is this. It's nothing else other than psychology of risk. So yeah, definitely get that book. Yes, sir. But anyways, bro, finance company, that was my favorite thing. That was really cool. And then out of that finance company, I learned my leadership skills through that. I learned how to lead people and stuff like that through that company. And when I quit, I took, I had a lot of people from here are from there, from that company. You know, they wanted to kind of, go with me. But yeah, bro. So now my goal is to create a fund, a group of. So the reason why I have this, bro, is to create a group of traders. A group of traders to ultimately create a fund and then go against George Soros, you know? My goal is to use the money to fight the evil people. I already know I'm gonna be super rich, bro, just like how you will be, just like how you will be when you master this. Money's not gonna be an issue, bro. It's not about that. What are you gonna do with it after? So I want to fund the opposite of what the evil, elites are doing. So that's why I call it Trinity Fund. There's so much bad going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's so much bad going on. And who is funding that bad? There's people funding it, bro. You know what I'm saying? So there's people funding these horrible things. And yeah, I'm Christian, bro. I'm Christian, bro, for sure. I read my Bible every day. I got it over there. But yeah, that's why, bro. You know what I mean? All of this comes from a Christian background. And there's so much. The evil is so powerful. Evil is so powerful, and it has so much people on their side that there has to be another side, bro. There has to be another side. And that's all good. Yes, sir. Nice, bro. It's nice. Awesome. Yeah, absolutely, man. I learned about Christ through my mentor, because when I was 18 years old, I got super into personal training. I was like, got into health and fitness. And I met a guy at a gym who was wealthy, because I was working at a very rich gym, LA Fitness, but it was really nice, a really nice one. And he became my mentor. He was in a network marketing company, multi-level marketing company, which I was with him for like 4 or 5 years, and he taught me everything about leadership. His parents were like really high up there, and that's how he taught me leadership. And then that's how and he told me what to do, go to a finance company, blah, blah, blah. I did everything he told me, and then I did everything. I succeeded at everything he told me to do. I ended up going away from it because I started partying. I started making a lot of money when I was working at the company. I was leading it and I was running the company. And I started partying, doing drugs and everything. doing a lot of, it was very bad, and so I stopped. I was very fucking I knew I was doing wrong, and I didn't want to be around him because I just felt fucked up. So I stopped getting his mentoring. I stopped the multi-level marketing because I was already making a shitload of money, and my vision was to help grow that finance company. So that's why I stopped. But he gave me a Bible. I've always been reading it since once I quit my job, I dedicated myself to not party and all that stuff. I had to quit my job, bro. I had money saved up. I bought a lot of crypto. I had a lot of crypto, and just working kept me in the matrix, bro. Working at a job keeps you in the matrix where you have to keep on doing these things, these habits, and if I can just makes you keep on doing and doing and doing. So I had to break that habit, and when I quit my job, I was able to break it and stop doing drugs and stop partying and all that shit. And that's what brought me closer to God, and that's what, yes, sir. Thank you. That's what allowed me to really tapping into what I was meant on earth to do. And that's to fight the evil, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's to fight the evil. That's to fight the evil, bro. And I want to create technology to reverse it, Yes, sir. It's to fight the evil, but I want to do it in a real way. Thank you, bro. I want to do it in a real way. In a real way, what I mean by that, in a different way. It has to be different, bro. You know what I'm saying? It has to be different. We have to use the same level of intensity that the evil is using in order to beat them. You can't just, I don't believe that you can be too easy. So my plan is to create technology from Elon Musk, the Neuralink. My goal is to partner with him or fucking get my hands on that technology or fund it, figure out ways to be able to change the way people think, to be able to change the narrative, fund the narrative. A lot of money is going towards bad narratives, right? Everything that's against God. A lot of money is going towards that right now in the West. They're paying for bad things to happen. They're paying for people to be corrupt, paying for all that. So my goal is to fund the opposite and to take down the people who are funding them. So my goal will be to locate the companies that are funding the bad things, and then have enough money to short the shit out of them and strategically take them down through the financial markets. That's why I'm learning this, bro, is to strategically take them down. Yes, sir. Yeah, of course, bro, of course. All this, bro, everything is meant, everything is meant, everything happens for a reason, bro. So you know what I'm saying? Everything happens for a reason. So if you're here, you want to be a part of the team. We do have a lot of dedicated people on our team, bro. And one of the best ones, who all of us are on the same mission. Like Johnny, let's see. This is starting to look a little, see if it taps into here. Tap into here. Well, I can do this. So, let's look at this price action real quick here. I think the New York people are coming in, bro, to reverse the price. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Right now, I have like a little over 30,000. I had a lot more, but I had to fund my life with my crypto for like the first 4 or 5 months. Yeah, you know, it's decent amount, bro. It's not like what, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, it is. It could be, you know, because it is a decent amount. But yeah, I did spend probably like, I had like $170,000 worth of crypto. Multiple three, that's it. Yes, bro. No, yeah, you could even, bro, I'm telling you, you could even do it, you can do it faster, man. You can, if you learn trading and you commit to trading and you learn from this guy, I would say learn from him. He's legit as fuck. Learn from him with and you gotta get your trading plan proper too, though. Okay, let's cover this short. Let's cover this short here. You can really do it you can really do it faster, man. Okay, I see the volume's coming in now. You see a New York session, this is when volume is coming in. So that okay, I'm closing out, done. Yeah, you know, see how I touched the VWAP and it's kind of going down. So see, but now we broke this high. Now we broke this high. Now we broke this high. You see how the VWAP's touching it? It's going down. Yeah. I still closed on my trade though. That's what I learned from Raja Banks, to close your shit out before, like, you want to lose less money than what you think you're going to lose. And when you told yourself, if I'm going to risk 2%, I'm going to get out at 1%, you know? But wow. And normally that happens, just so you know. Normally price goes one way, and New York session it'll go up. They pump it up once and then they reverse it back down. So if they go back down, they'll reverse it back up. So this could be a reversal. But we'll see. So let's keep it up here. Let's see here. It might be a good place to buy from though, the support. Okay, price broke this. I'm gonna place a buy. All right, cool. I just placed a buy, just so you know, right here. Why did I do that? Because you know, everything that we said earlier for buys, I think it's starting to play out a bit now. Now that the bulls are here. So what I'm gonna do, bro, is I'm going to put my stop loss beneath the support, which is this candle, 7241. Okay, so we're going for a long. Yeah, you and just risk a little bit though. Risk a little bit because like, just like when you start, like when not too much, just a little bit. Like it may hit my stop already. Let's see. I put 7241. Honestly, the buy should have been okay. So watch, you see how like it created a support, and then and then created support green candle. That would have been a much better buy. All right, boom, out. It's okay. So I'm not gonna also be going for, yeah, hey bro. So I wouldn't place it. I already took here. So I took, whenever I take it, I took 2 trades. I got these 2 losses. So I'm not going to take any more trades, bro. I'm not going to take any more trades. I have to be disciplined in that. Yeah, we gotta be disciplined in that. I'm just being theoretical here. I'm not evident. See how that trend got broken? That's normally my trading strategy after a trend channel gets broken. A lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. That VWAP, crazy resistance, man. VWAP's crazy resistance. See, price can be tapping into support here. Might be a good buy zone here. The algorithms are just crazy, man. These motherfuckers are good. All right, let's see here. That's normally my trading strategy. It's normally once a break of a channel, you retest to the support and then a potential buy after that. but that could just be a fake out. There we go. That was probably the fake out, bro. This could be the real move here. This could be the real move down to cover this one here. But let's see though. Let's see how it reacts. Yeah, let's sit tight. Sit tight. Let's see, it already broke that high. This high was broken already. You see how this one didn't create a new high? Sorry, this thing did not create a new low. So price went above it. This one did not create a new low. Yeah, this one did not create a new low. So this low, this higher here went above. I'll give you all. I have a lot of shit that I can. Here, let's see. Gotta sit tight, see what's really going on. Because right now they're just taking all these stop losses. Everybody's trading right now, and the bots and people here are taking everybody's money. Boom, boom, boom. That's what they're doing right now. You have to wait for the direction. This helped me out a lot. Okay, now we're probably going for the real move down. See, okay, so price went up. Red candle, we could have done a sell. But no worries. Still trading within the zone, so we don't really know where it's going to go. But we can do a stop here. We could do this. I'm not going to. But we could do that. Like if the price breaks here, we enter into a sell to fill in this wick. Then we can make it like a 1-to-1. So if like price breaks here, you might just get that real quick and a quick in and out, which we may do Haas. Yeah, but definitely only sells for now, if anything. If anything. My price is probably just gonna go here, here, or here. And the next candle will probably go and bring us down. If I lost twice on it, so as soon as I lose twice, bro, I'm out. I'm not gonna go back in anymore. See if I can. Oh, tap that already. I created this thing right here. So you can learn about all these are notes I took from that I gave you. I wouldn't get too, I mean, it's kind of complicated stuff. If you can look into it here and just, it's not complicated, bro. It's just, yeah. Yeah, study that. Like go with that and then look at his shit, you know? I would definitely This too. Yeah, of course, bro. Oh, this is extremely important. Extremely important, bro. Yeah, dude, you know, go all in on trading. You know? I'll go all in on trading, bro. I wish I would have done it when I was younger, but I went all in on learning sales and business, which helped me out a lot. But if I would have just done this, I mean, now I can kind of run a business and stuff like that, and very well, and lead people and stuff like that, create teams. But yeah, I mean, I guess that does help. But definitely, learning trading, bro, is amazing. That way, you can be your own boss and get your, you know, have more time to yourself to build your life. Yeah, you know. Here's a level that's kind of resisting over here. But you see this channel? This channel is a bullish channel. It's a bullish panel. And then it breaks out here. You know? Okay, it's breaking it twice already. That channel has been broken twice. Channel has been broken twice. You see how the channel goes up? That's like a bearish one that goes down. Ones that go down, go up, down. But I have to follow my rules. I lost twice. Can't do it anymore. Can't do it anymore. There's a lot of compression right here. Compression creates violent movements. Yeah, bro, I moved to California though. I mean, I moved to Miami. I'm in Miami now. And I have a lot of my friends that are in here are going to come move with me here. Sports bettors, there's one sports better, one trader who is a part of the company. And the brand, this is called Crib Smarter Sports X Capital. So I helped my friend create a company for sports betting. And you know, my goal is to nurture as in help develop traders, you know, who are a part of the mission, who want to be a part of the mission, and learn how to trade and use the money to use your skill to fight the evil. You know what I'm saying? So far I got 2 people who are moving up over here. People don't need to come over here, but just need to be connected, you know? Just need to be connected. See, these 2 zones right here are death zones. People are getting fucked right here, right now, just like how I did. So we got to identify the fuck zones. These are the zones where people are getting destroyed, up and down, up and down, up and down. We got to wait for these zones to get broken. What's probably going to happen is you get that, and that's your sell. You get this, and that's your buy. $23. But it's all you know. Crypto's big here in Miami, and I wanted to, and also join a group called the War Room. It's $5,600 to get in. All entrepreneurs, they're all guys that are trying to break through the matrix, break free, and they teach you how to make money online, blah blah, this shit. And that's what I wanted to work under him. I wanted to work under him, and he told me to go to Miami for the meetings and stuff. So that's why I came here. But it's also crypto related, a lot of things here. So my goal is to create the fund here in Miami. 2 losses, and should for zones to get broken. I traded within a zone that stop. Also should have taken profits earlier. To work on dynamic profit taking, but did work on stop loss. I did take some out on first trade. Need to take out profit faster. First. Take 50%. Yeah, you should just stick to that. You close beneath that. Oh, that's a, okay, so we have a very strong chance we're going to go up here. And then the next candle. So let's see if that plays out here. Let's go to the 30-minute. Yeah, see, this candle closed beneath all of them. Wow. But I'm not taking none of these trades. I'm just theorizing that way. I can gain more experience, get better theories, and see them play out. So what we could do is like just a theory. Just a theory. So if that's the case, yeah, oh, that'd probably be a better entry. Hit the 618. That's halfway through that candle. So, you know, price tends to reverse at the half, 618 or 718. These are the reversal zones. So price can hit reversal zone and then go back down. So let's say if that trade happens, you take, you know, half of your money, half your profit gets taken out right here. Price goes here, you take out another, you take out 25%, so half of a half, and you let the rest run. So you get to keep your money here, keep some money here, and then if it goes back up here, oh yeah, then you gotta put your stop loss to break even. That's how I do it. And you put it right here. So if price goes back up here, you're out of the trade, but you at least made this money here. So you're gonna trade in and out, and you're gonna learn that from Raja Banks, the guy that sent that stuff too. Okay, so let's say that trade went through, you know, you would wait for it to go here to take half a profit. Let's see what we got. Next candle there. Next candle there. Probably going to be hitting the gym here soon, man. Mr. Samir. Probably hitting the gym. You know what I would do though is, you know, you could follow this Instagram. This is my backup one. Here's me. I don't have any posts. I need to probably put some posts on there. Here's the people that I mentor. Homie Robert, Johnny, Jason, all these guys that I mentor. The rapper I used to work with. This is the guy that I joined this group. He's Cobra Tate. I mean, you probably heard of him. But I talked to this guy. My goal is to work under him because he has a program where he helps people get out of the matrix. right? To get out of the matrix, teaches you how to not get fucked by the matrix. And that's my goal. My goal is to help take guys out of the matrix, and then that way we can have a strong team to beat the matrix, the people that create the matrix and the evil people. But I would here, I'll send you this one. This is a trading one. My backup, this is my news one, which I just post crypto news and crypto NFT news. You can follow that one too if you want. But the trading one, where we have the community, is my backup one, which is this one. You know, if you want to follow that one, follow you right back on that one. Yeah, bro, and then read up all this shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you. It's all the same shit, bro. Forex, but it's the fucking trading, dude. It's like the same shit. It's all the reading structures, reading all that stuff. But he has a system. He has a training that's free. He has his course. It's free. Right, 5-hour long video. I'm probably gonna be cutting this Zoom session here. Samir, is nice getting to know you, bro. We'll connect soon, bro. We'll connect. Nice game. I'll help you create a plan, trading plan. But you're gonna need to watch those videos, that way you can have understanding. That's it. Like, don't focus too much on all that stuff. Like, focus on those videos first. Focus learning the videos first. And I would highly recommend getting that book. Get the book. Get the videos, or just watch the videos. And then that's it, bro. Like, you know, don't go too far everywhere. Just stick to that first. Master it first. That's it, bro. We can trade together on the New York sessions. I will be closing out, bro. I'm gonna be closing out. Gonna get some stuff done. But yeah, bro. Have a good one, man. Closing this out here. Yeah, of course. No worries, Samir. You have an amazing day, bro. You take care, man.